Saipan, a tropical paradise filled with beautiful sightseeing and culture for all who are welcome to explore. Located in Micronesia, Saipan is the second largest island to Guam. This island is home to a diverse array of species, ranging from vibrant coral reefs teeming with marine life to lush jungles filled with unique plants and animals. Its rich biodiversity reflects the island's intricate ecosystems, shaped by its warm climate, volcanic origins, and isolation in the Pacific. Saipan's natural beauty is not only a visual treasure, but also a crucial part of its ecological balance and cultural identity. But let's take a closer look in one of its many villages and explore the biodiversity and all its inhabitants. The village of San Roque is a small village in the northern part of the island with jungles surrounding everywhere you walk and beaches with cool, warm waters. We will be taking a closer look at the biodiversity in this village. But what is biodiversity? Biodiversity is all the different kinds of life you'll find in one area. It's the variety of animals, plants, fungi, and even microorganisms like bacteria that make up our entire world. Each of these species and organisms work together in ecosystems like a web to maintain balance and support life. Animals and species support each other in San Roque. In ecosystems like San Roque, the connection is evident. Take a cow eating sakati as an example of how biodiversity supports a vital nutrient cycle within an ecosystem. Sakati is a hardy plant adapted to the local environment, drawing nutrients from the soil through its roots and converting sunlight into energy via photosynthesis. When the cow eats this sakati, it consumes these nutrients, which are essential for its growth, health, and productivity. The cow then metabolizes this energy to sustain bodily functions to produce outputs like milk, meat, and manure. This manure in turn enriches the soil by replenishing organic matter and nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus. These things are critical for the growth of sakati and other plants. This closed loop system ensures the sustainability of resources within the ecosystem where plants and animals coexist in a mutually beneficial relationship, Humans are a part of this cycle as well, though, because by consuming the cow's milk and by chowing its, the meat, the beef, we don't just get proteins, but also fats and vitamins. And this helps us with our health and our development. And beyond nutrition, cows also help contribute to human livelihoods in many communities, providing income, labor, and resources like leather. This chain of dependency highlights the connection of life forms. So the sakati depends on the soil and sunlight. The cow depends on the sakati for food. And us humans depend on the cow for meat, for proteins, all of those sort of things. And we can also make money out of it as well. At each level, energy and nutrients are transferred and transformed, demonstrating the intricate balance that biodiversity sustains. If any one of these things in the chain are disrupted, they have a problem. For example, if overgrazing depletes the sakati population or the soil fertility declines, the whole system can become unbalanced, and this is going to affect all the species involved. This example shows the importance of preserving biodiversity and maintaining these natural cycles because they're very important for the health and well-being of ecosystems and the species, including humans that rely on them. But beyond these visible connections, countless other interactions are happening at smaller scales. Like, for example, bees and butterflies are pollinators, and these insects play a critical role in helping plants reproduce. And in that, we get oxygen, we get food to chow, oxygen to breathe because we're gonna die. But beneath the soil, microorganisms break down matter, recycling nutrients that plants need to thrive. San Roque, like many biodiverse areas, is home to a vast array of species, some easily seen like birds or cows, and others less noticed like insects, fungi, or tiny soil bacteria. Often people overlook or underestimate the importance of the smaller organisms, but they're essential to the health of the environment too. We just don't see it, so we don't think they're as important. Every species, though, no matter how small or how less important they may seem, they all play a major role for the overall function and resilience of our ecosystems. And when we pause to observe and appreciate the biodiversity around us, we can better understand the delicate balance of life that sustains us all and the importance of preserving it for future generations. My name is John Pinala. I'm a sophomore, and this was my video on biodiversity in my home village of San Roque. Thank you for your time.